Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to extract and install zip file game with WinRAR. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This usually comes up when you download a game from the internet and it arrives as a zip or RAR file, leaving you unsure about what to do next. First, locate the downloaded file on your computer and right-click on it. From the menu, click on Show More Options, then click on Extract Files. After that, simply press OK and wait for the extraction process to finish. Once it's done, a new folder will be created automatically. Next, double-click on the newly created folder to open it. If there's another folder inside, open that as well. Look for the exe file, which is the application file used to run the game. Once you find it, double-click on it to start the game. In some cases, the game may require installation, and an installer will open to guide you through the setup. In other cases, the game will launch immediately without needing to install anything. Either way, once the exe file runs successfully, your game should be ready to play. And that's it. So that's basically how you can extract and install zip file game with WinRAR. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks. 1.